In this video, we'll guide you through the process of editing the skin to remove layer content. To get started, navigate to your gallery and click on Edit Skin. This is where the magic happens. We're currently navigating the item skin editor. On the left side, you'll find options to change the overall skin style. Experiment with different styles until you find the perfect fit for your Shopify store. Moving to the right side, you can easily add or remove elements that appear in the grid. Customize your display by showing or hiding specific items. Bring your gallery to life by adjusting the animation style. Play around with the options until you achieve the desired effect. Once you're satisfied, click Save to preview your changes. Next, on the right drop zone, hide icons. Select the elements you want to remove, click Remove, and watch as the unwanted elements disappear. You can easily add or remove icon elements by simply dragging and dropping them from this section. There are plenty of elements here that you can add or remove to customize your skin. Now, let's enhance the hover effect. On the left, you can change the icon, and under the Style tab, find the option to modify the hover color. Let's add some animation to the image hover background. Don't forget to save your skin changes. Now, head back to your gallery and check if the modified skin is working as expected. Your customized look is just a click away. Let's remove the circle zoom effect and see what happens. Let's return to editing the gallery again. Our modified skin is looking fantastic. Click Save for the gallery, and don't forget to check the front end to see your changes in action. We appreciate your time and look forward to seeing your next video. Thank you for watching.